In display, let's have a look. It's a tariff. It's in Yarmouth now, and we're looking for ticket here. Weather is not really good, also not really bad, but hopefully, let's see, daytime will be fine. Okay. Bukamlo Sewaro. So, Nutanamwaro, good morning. We are in Yarmouth. So let's see. Like here. It's our first time being here, even for my parents. They haven't been here before. So we're just gonna look around. Come and join us. This is the view from here. We just parked there. Which way shall we head first? Shall we head this way? And then we'll cross here. So my umbo is gonna let us know about this place. Hello, Sharu everybody. There we go, we are in Yarmouth today, which is this is the western part of the Isle of Wight, and this is a small town, port and civil ferries in the west of the Isle of Wight, and also off the south coast of the England. And this is what you can see over here. Basically, this town Yarmouth is named. Before that was a small western Yar river, Nuba. Oh, okay.
So they used to call it small western Yar river, and now later on, and they used to call it Yarmouth from there. So basically, there was a small river started from there. Okay.
That's how it was named.
Yeah,
Look at this view. Nice.
Looks like it's a nice looping walking around here. Isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. And can you see here? This one is small bridge down here.
This bridge?
Yeah.
Yes.
This town is going near a river crossing, isn't it? So
yes.
Originally it was a ferry, which was replaced by this road bridge.
Ah.
You can see it here.
Okay. So ferries used to pass through here.
Yeah.
Ah. But now they turned it into a bridge.
Yeah. And also looks it's new, isn't it? So
Yeah, it looks quite new actually.
Actually. Oh. What do you think, Numa? You okay? You feeling cold?
Cold.
It's like
The weather, we got unlucky today. The weather is not very good. It's drizzling a little bit, isn't it? Drizzling a little. So yeah. But still, it'll be a memory. Yeah. It's a right link here as well. Ferries.
Some ferries.
Oh. Harbour entrance. लाउने पर्दो रहेछ
Flash. You can just put flash on. It's a very gloomy day today, unfortunately. Right, just heading towards the town centre. Looks like a local pub there. Nice. It's a church. Cute little house. And next to it is the church. Let's head this way, shall we? Nice. So nice and quiet. I think it's, well, it's basically because of the off season. Quite like it though. 2 rooms. Aha, we're coming towards the PS Square. That's what we're trying to head to the PS.
You got yours? I don't know. I feel like they might have one. They're coming back. What are you looking for? Anything really. I think it's like a sweet shop.
Yeah, but then I saw how big they were.
The iconic British telephone booth. And there's some sort of cafe. And then we're just heading towards the pier now. Hang Ma.
That's open you.
It's open? Oh, that's good. Perfect. Right, let's head that way. Nice.
Come back and watch it when it's actually going here.
Welcome to Yarmouth. £1. Please insert the cash here. It's pound to get in there. This is from Taplazung and Angge Taplazung. My wallet.
You just take a £1 charge.
There you go.
Yeah. To walking into this fair.
Oh, we're walking
have a
towards
look
the
at that.
pier.
Oh, lovely. Numa. Sanu? She was looking to walk in here when it's now like when balls. Let's see.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, look. It would be so nice during the summer, isn't it?
Ah, yes, the George. Yeah. The George. Nice.
Look at the weather. Aren't we lucky? I bet you're envious of us. It's so nice.
What do you think about this one? Have a look at IT.
I
They
know.
contributed because it's written on all the names now.
Maybe they contributed. You're right. You're quite right. Every wooden slab was contributed by them, maybe, perhaps.
Let's take some pictures.
Of course, it's photo time. And you can see the church at the back. Right, this is the 360 view from the pier.
There is also telescope down there.
Ah, the gate is shut. Can we open this gate? Danger, keep out. Maybe we're not allowed to go there. No, it's locked. It's locked, yeah. So nice.
Ready?
Right, let's head back. Okay, I think this is the gift shop we are looking for. Nice. We need a hat maybe. It's hot. It's cold, sorry, hot. I love white, but we need one with the Yarmouth on it. How about this one? That looks nice, look. Yarmouth. That
That's
one.
nice. Which one?
Isn't it that one?
Oh, that's also good. Where is your mom?
Yarmouth here. We got these ones as well. And we also have that one. So Ammo is deciding. Have you decided?
Yes.
Which one? Or this one? The top there. I love Yarmouth.
I think
That one?
this one will really good, yeah.
Okay, let's grab that one. Ammo's choice.
Do you have
Gloves?
This
No, I
is
don't
all
have gloves.
insulated.
Insulated.
You don't have, probably you need to.
Oh, okay. I'll take this one then. It's quite cold. Ambo is feeling cold. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at that design. Yeah, that's a nice one. And that will suit you.
Is it for gents or ladies?
I think it's unisex.
Unisex, one
Yeah.
size.
One says it's unisex.
But I don't know how
But it looks
warm,
like-
how warm is it? I don't know.
You can try it.
Haha.
Yeah, that suits you. It goes with the jacket
Slightly.
as well.
Slightly small.
Tight.
Oh, look at that.
Okay, heading back to the car park. Back here again. Nice hymn, ambo, right? Nubahim means very nice house in our Yakthung Pan. The old cottage. Nice Singbung. Singbung means tree in our Yakthung Pan. FYI. Alright. This is what the neighborhood looks like. Shall we turn right? Ah yes, I can see the car park. There we go. Let's head back to the car park, yes? Shall we cross here?
Let's go to another.
We're heading to another part of the Yarmouth. I don't know where, but Ambo has planned it out. Right, see you there. Nice neighborhood, eh? It's really nice here. Where are we? I'm at the Hawaii. Where are we?
We are in Victoria Fort William Park. I think so, if I know.
Let's
How
see
big it is.
what we can do here. We're just looking to see what are the things we can do here. First, most importantly, we are going to cafe. Yes? Yes?
It's a Fort Victoria Country Park. Sorry.
Ah, Fort Victoria Country Park. Right. We won't be going in the jungle though. Let's head in there. Let's go. Piggy.
Yeah, okay. Let's have a look at that number. You want to go inside? Oh, looks like yours. Looks like mom.
Oh, cakes. Yum. Let's go. Oh, look at that. That's my beautiful Americano. 2 lattes for Ammo and Ambo. I believe this is aubergine and courgette cake. That sounds interesting anyway. And then this is Victoria sponge cake. We have beef pasty and cheese and onion pasty for parents. Cheers.
Not really green.
It's nice and hot. That's what we need in this cold weather. Can I try some of your aubergine?
Yeah, try it.
Courgette
Try this also.
cake.
This is Victoria's one.
Victoria's one cake.
Yeah, this one.
That looks nice. Look at this. I'm having the first bite. This is gorgeous.
like this one.
This is the Victoria sponge cake from Ambo. I got it from Ambo. Let's try. Nice. Right, just having a look around. Had a nice coffee, cakes and pastries. Pasties. Let's have a look. Apparently if you go up this Kokma hill, Kokma means hill, you get a really nice view. But I don't think we're gonna go up there. Let's have a look. Going to be nice views from there. No camping. Oh, that sounds nice. So nice and peaceful. Lovely. So nice. There's a lighthouse there as well, over there, can you see? Look at this beast. Oh, so nice and peaceful. Asira Tange. I like it. Asira Tange. I like it. In our Yakthung pan. Asira Tange. Happy fishing. Bon voyage. Nugen for watching. Semwe Sewaro Tain Mutimiro. See you on the next one. Bon voyage. Goodbye. Semwe Sewaro. Goodbye.